Hello and welcome to my English class. Today we will learn how to use adjectives to describe feelings. Let's have a look. Why we use adjectives for feelings? Because adjectives make your speech or writing more vivid and precise. Instead of saying, I feel bad, you can say, I feel anxious or I feel disappointed, which gives a clearer picture. Categories of adjectives. Happy, joyful, excited, relaxed, proud, confident. She felt excited when she got the job. Her mother is proud of her job. She is very happy because of her class. Sounds exciting? Sad, lonely, heartbroken, depressed, disappointed, nervous, anxious, worried, insecure, overwhelmed. He was sad after the meeting. He was worried about his lessons. He was overwhelmed by his workload. Sentence patterns to use. I feel hopeful. I am nervous. It makes me happy. She has a cheerful personality. Tips for using adjectives effectively. Be specific. Match intensity. Combine adjectives. Context matters. Dialogue.
I'm excited about the concert tonight.
Really? I'm feeling a bit nervous because it's my first time performing.
Don't worry, you're talented and the audience will be supportive.
Thanks, that makes me feel more confident and happy.
See? Now we're both joyful and ready for the show.